Alright, welcome to, this is C++ exercise number 10. Before I start, I'm recommending going to subscribe to this guy, P-A-R-G-O. Here's his YouTube, right here. I'll probably put a link to it. He's helping me out with some programming stuff. As you can see, he even did a response video to my exercise number 9. And he's helping me out with some stuff, so yeah, I recommend going to subscribe to him because he has some good videos. Okay, we're gonna get started. I already wrote the program. I didn't feel like doing it, just typing it out. So the problem is write a program that takes in 3 words or letters and puts them in order. I'm still gonna walk through everything. So first off, we're gonna include our input-output stream, our string, using namespace, int main. We're going to declare string, we're going to declare sentence, word 1, word 2, word 3, which the sentence is going to be the initial spot for where the variables are going to be taken in, and then word 1, 2, and 3 are going to be assigned, obviously, to these. And the int a, as the C++ exercise number 9, still finds this space, so that's nothing new. If you haven't watched the 9th one, I recommend that first, because I'm doing a lot of the same stuff. And then just enter in the words, and I'll put them in order. You have to use getLine, because if you don't, it's gonna stop at the space and not gonna take anything after the space, and your program's gonna suck. It's not gonna work. So, and then declaring, A is the sentence find, so it's finding the space, the first space in the sentence, assigning the word 1 to the sentence, starting at 0 and going till A, and that's the count, not the location. Remember that. Just like the first one. And then sentence erase 0, A plus 1, because this is again the count, not the location. If it was the location, this would have to be A minus 1, and this would just be A. But since it's the count, this is A plus 1, that's A. That should make sense. Again, this is the same thing with this, all of this. It's the same thing, just it's the first part, just rearranging. Okay, this is the logic for outputting the first letter. The order is less than, greater than less than, and greater than greater than. And this will be explained a little bit further. Okay, if word 1 is less than word 2 and word 1 is less than word 3, that would basically mean word 1 is the first letter. If that criteria was satisfied, it's gonna output word 1 with a space. And then else if word 2 is less than word 1 and word 2 is less than word 3, it's gonna output word 2 with a space. So hopefully this makes sense. This part is only gonna be satisfied with the first letter, obviously. And else if word 3 is less than word 1 and word 3 is less than word 2, it's gonna output word 3. Okay, what's interesting is if you take note that word or the first letters and the last letters, the less thans and the greater thans, they only have one statement. Like this is the statement for word 1. When this criteria is satisfied, word 1 is outputted. Well, it's interesting because on the second part, I put these little things right here because these actually, you have to have 2 statements to satisfy one variable. If for the outputting the second letter is the only one that needs this. If word 1 is greater than word 2 and word 1 is less than word 3, you output word 1. But also, if word 1 is greater than word 3, which was less than before, and word 1 is less than word 2, which was greater than before, you output word 1. So you can see why you need 2, and I do this for all of them. If word 2 is greater than word 1 and word 2 is less than word 3, you output word 2, and if word 2 is greater than word 3 and word 2 is less than word 1, you output word 2. It's the same for the last one. Else if word 3 is greater than word 1 and word 3 is less than word 2, you output word 3, and if word 3 is greater than word 2 and word 3 is less than word 1, you output word 3. And then the third letter is easy, outputting the last letter because it's just greater than, just the same as the first one was all less thans. This is all greater than. So again, it only needs one statement for the last one, just as it did for the first one. So if word 1 is greater than word 2 and word 1 is greater than word 3, you're obviously going to output word 1, and I have these end line returns because it's the last thing that's going to be outputted. Hold on, I gotta Okay, it's the kid that I said to subscribe to. He's asking me how this is going. I'm not done with it. But yeah, go subscribe to him. Okay, also if word 2 is greater than word 1 and word 2 is greater than word 3, outputs word 2, and the last one, also if word 3 is greater than word 1 and word 3 is greater than word 2, output word 3. This regular system pause return 0. I'm trying to make it brief, this thing, so that I can, so that it's only one video. Okay, I'm gonna have to, enter 3 words and we'll put them in order. I'm gonna move it over so you can see it. I'll just do, I don't know, like, states of mind. We could do, like, delta, alpha, theta. Okay, and it put them in alpha, delta, theta. It put them in order. Delta, alpha, theta, and obviously alpha is first, delta, and then theta. So, that's it. There you go. Hopefully, I explained everything clear enough to understand. And I will see you next time.